Hello everyone, and welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the GoPro HERO8 Black, renowned as the best in its class for action cameras. Whether you're a vlogger, filmmaker, or adventure enthusiast, this device promises to elevate your capturing experience with its cutting-edge features. Let's explore why the HERO8 Black stands out from the crowd. The HERO8 Black boasts stunning 4K Ultra HD video and 12 megapixels photos, ensuring crystal clear footage in any adventure scenario. Its hyper-smooth 2.0 stabilization offers 3 levels on, high, and boost, delivering incredibly smooth video even in the most dynamic environments. The streamlined design with folding fingers and a new side door enhances usability, making battery swaps quicker and the camera more mount-friendly. For creators, the expandable mods like the Media Mod and Light Mod provide unmatched versatility, elevating your production quality effortlessly. Share your adventures in real time with 1080p live streaming capabilities. Utilize the GoPro app for seamless broadcasting and enjoy hyper-smooth stabilization while you connect with your audience. Capture mesmerizing time-lapse videos with Time Warp 2.0. This feature intelligently adjusts speed based on motion, scene detection, and lighting conditions, ensuring every moment is captured in stunning detail. Designed to withstand the toughest conditions, the HERO8 Black features an improved lens that is 2x more impact-resistant compared to its predecessors, ensuring reliability in every adventure. Summing up, the GoPro HERO8 Black is not just a camera. It's a companion for every adrenaline junkie and creative professional. With its robust features, unparalleled stabilization, and modular expandability, it's easy to see why this remains the top choice in action cameras. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and tech insights. Stay tuned to Product Critique for the latest updates on the gadgets that matter to you. Until next time, happy shooting!